Boy, ano yan? Uy. Ganda na ng drawing mo ah. Tingnan ko nga. Okay, ito natin. Uy. Ganda na. Ano yan, boy?
Basahin mo na lang sa'yo.
Meron bang nakalagay?
Meron on the wall. Who's the Paris William of the mall?
On the wall.
And nobody can defeat me.
Ganda.
Yes, nobody can defeat me.